Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Clash Royale bot glitch every time. So if you are experiencing a bot glitch in Clash Royale, here are some common steps to troubleshoot the issue and fix that issue. First of all, you have to restart the game. So if you have opened up your Clash Royale game, you have to simply close the game or app and then you have to reopen it. Which can often resolve minor glitches. Also, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure you have the stable internet connection on your device. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. Also, you can navigate to your setting and you have to scroll down and go for your app. Once you are on your app here, you have to go for the manage app. Tap on the apps and go for the manage app and search for the Clash Royale. Once you have searched for the Clash Royale, you have to tap on the clear data and clear the cache of your Clash Royale, which also help you to fix some bugs related to your Clash Royale. Make sure you are using the latest version of your Clash Royale. You can check it through your Google Play Store or Apple Store for updates. Just navigate to your Play Store if you are using your Android device and search for the Clash of Royale. And here you can see that if there is any update available and you have to tap on the update option. Also, you can uninstall them and reinstall the Clash Royale on your device. Also, you have to ensure your device operating system is up to date as outdated software can cause the compatibility issue. By following this step, you should be able to fix the bot glitch in Clash Royale. If it continues, you may consider reaching out to the Clash Royale support team for further assistance. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.